But it's time now to get in some technical opinion as well as far as the market goes, and we are joined by Mr. Rajesh Palviya of Axis Securities to make sense of the entire technical setup of the market and where it is headed. Rajesh, hi, good afternoon. Thank you so much for making time. First up, your take regarding the market itself, wherein we have seen a lot of volatility come into the markets of late. Do you think we'll continue to be in this range of 15,800 to 16,000, or do you see signs that this is likely to come out of that range anytime soon? And what do you make of the strength in Bank Nifty as well?
Yeah, good afternoon. So what we have seen in the last couple of trading sessions, your intense selling pressure has been absorbed today, and some bit of green tick we have seen in the market, and some of the sectors which were showing good buying interest in this decline has shown outperformance in the today's session. So this is first sign of reversal which we have seen on the Nifty front, 15,800. We have managed to hold this level throughout the session, and closing is also above that level. So looking at the setup, we feel that this pullback can continue further. But on the higher side, 16,000, 16,050 is the key resistance area, because if you look at the options, writers are still aggressive at 16,000, 16,100 strike. So which is likely to act as a major hurdle for this pullback action. Though structure is weak for short to medium term on the technical front for Nifty as well as for the Bank Nifty also, but the looking at the recovery from the lower level and the kind of buying action in the some of the sectors clearly indicates that some more pullback action we can witness in coming trading session. So as of now, one can remain long on the Nifty with strict stop loss of 15,750, and upside target we are projecting at around 15,950 to 16,000. This is the range where one can again review it, because 16,000 to 16,100 is very steep resistance area based on the call concentration as well as on the technical setup also. Looking at the Bank Nifty has managed to again close above 33,500 kind of zone, and if it continues to trade above 33,500 in the coming trading session, then possibly another round of pullback action we can witness in the Bank Nifty also. And on the higher side, the key resistance area for Bank Nifty is at around 34,000 and 34,200. These are two levels are very important for this pullback action. If at all Bank Nifty manages to cross about 34,200, then possibly we can witness a short covering action also in the Bank Nifty, because we have seen today PSU Bank has shown good buying interest, and most of the PSU banks as well as private banks have recovered from their oversold territory. So we feel that another round of pullback action we can witness in the coming trading session also. So those who are already long in the Bank Nifty and those who wants to buy Bank Nifty at the current level also, they should keep stop loss of 33,300 to hold their long position for upside target of 34,000 or 34,200.
Rajesh, so clear view coming your way that a pullback is likely when it comes to Nifty as well as Nifty Bank. But if you had to pick up some stock specific ideas, Rajesh, what would be your top bet?
So we are seeing that auto ancillary is showing good buying interest. So from that space, tire space, we like Apollo Tire, and the kind of open interest addition we have seen, and the stock now managed to again regain above 50-day, 100-day moving average. So we suggest to buy Apollo Tire at the current level for upside target of 222. One can keep stop loss of 204. Another stock is Raymond. If we look at the daily setup of Raymond, stock managed to give breakout of its down sloping channel on the daily setup, and the kind of volume action and the reversal which we have seen from the lower side in the Raymond is clearly suggesting that stock will further continue its upward momentum towards 860, 870 zone. So one can buy Raymond also with stop loss of 775.
Okay, Rajesh, thank you so much for joining in with those top picks, Raymond as well as Apollo Tires. And remember, from their auto pack, a lot of names are buzzing in trade today, right from Balakrishna Industries, Escorts, as well as Bharat Forge, to name a few, were definitely active in trade. In fact, let's now